Who knows?
What's up, guys? So it's Saturday, right?
Duh.
Alright, it's Saturday and we're gonna head over to that show right now. I'm so tired. So let's do that. Enough talking, let's just get to it. We're gonna go see Omar, Jordan, Justin's gonna help out too. You guys seen him in the vlog, so let's go. So we just arrived here at the show where it's gonna be at. Looks like it's gonna be pretty cool. So, let's roll in. There's my friend right there. One of them. So I just parked. I'm gonna get down everything as the canopy, all the supplies and stuff. So I'll pick up the vlog when I put up all that. So it's been a while that we've been set up and just chilling here. We were watching what, Kevin Hart and Jimmy Kimmel.
Yeah.
What's his name? Kimmel? Kimmel.
Jimmy Kimmel.
Yeah, we were watching some Kevin Hart and Jimmy Kimmel, so it was pretty fun. I've been chilling here. My stomach hurts, guys. I blew up the bathroom twice already. And no one's gonna be able to use that bathroom anymore.
I'm gonna have to.
Nobody.
Good luck, right?
Good luck, cause like it's flooded in there. Like it's fucked. Like I'm pretty embarrassed that I went and did all that. But I don't know. For some reason, guys, I don't feel good today. So pretty good turnout. They might not take your car, but you can always
It's Cat. You can also meow at me. That works out too. I'm gonna be taking over some of his vlogs because he's pretty busy with the booth, and you don't want to miss out on the cars. That's why you watch these videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and help around, and you'll see me in the vlog.
Oh,
but here's a little commercial for you guys. You got two girls, right? You got your girlfriend and your car. But when your girl's coochie stink, you can't clean it. So you got Jungle Miss Air Fragrance, so you can clean one of your babies.
What do you do those?
360.
Good salesman right there.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing?
Okay, enjoy the vlog. Hey guys, I'm walking around. So here, I should just flip the screen. We have the Honda Civic Si. Proper stance represent.
So we're over here chilling. We've been selling some products and stuff like that. I haven't really been vlogging, I'm not gonna lie. So I had a cat vlog. I don't know why she's being weird and not in the shot, but yeah. So that's what we're doing over here. We're just chilling. Not trying to record and get copyright with all this mainstream music over here. So I don't know how much we're gonna vlog. Anything else you want to add to that?
No. I just want to be weird. Hi everyone! I'm in the car for this thing. And I've never aired out a car before. I have no clue what I'm gonna be doing, but let's just do this shit right now. Okay, so what do I do?
So he's gonna press this right here and then hold it.
Which button?
This one. Press it once and then hold it.
That was fun.
Right. Aired it out completely.
Hey everyone, we're gonna limbo this shit. And plus more weight, so I should be in here. This is actually my first time being in the car for the limbo. Because I did it at Race Wars, like I saw, but I never actually got into it.
Alright.
Okay, here we go, guys.
Actually, quite a bit of cars doing it.
Okay, everyone will be thinking we hella high, but we're gonna air out this shit. Yay, we made it through round one.
Round one it is.
So this is the last round for the limbo. Sadly we didn't make it, but we're gonna see who's gonna make it. just saw me vlog a car with fucking anime shit, and y'all know I fucking love anime. But honestly, if you guys have cars and y'all decorate that anime shit, y'all gotta bring it to these shows so I can take photos with it. And what happens if y'all bring it and I'll pose topless on your car? I will be down. Just kidding, I'm not fucking down. I don't know. Okay, if someone finds this vlog and holds me to it, I'll do it. But yeah.
Nice, nice, nice.
Hey, when the SR20 can't do it, the GTR will. I got you, bro.
Ready? One more time, bro. You got it? One more time. Oh, that definitely hurt. Oh, are you ready for giveaways? Or for the raffle?
Yeah.
We're gonna go up on stage. Hey, we're gonna go on stage real quick to do our raffle, okay? Do you guys want to do that again, but with more license plate frames? One more time? Who can bring me a steering wheel? A quick release steering wheel? Yeah! Oh, wait, dude, you guys, what? Come on. Nice, bro. Nice. Alright, since you guys like this so much, whoever can bring cat chapstick will get another set of chapstick.
I need that lovely look. For another set of license plate frames, who can bring me two $2 bills? Two $2 bills. $2 bills. It can't be one single, it can't be $2 bills.
Oh,
$2 bills.
$2 bills like that right now?
No, like a $2 bill. No, it has to be a 2 on the dollar.
$2 bill.
Alright, I'm gonna give it to you because you're the only one that had it.